I don't know about you, but this fill gives me Keith Moon vibes. This fill is definitely simpler than you might think, because all it is right, left, right, left, right, left. 16 of those, in fact. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah. However, what makes it sound different from just... It's not just the placement, yes, that would be the obvious answer, but it's accents. These accents, to be exact. And an accent, if you don't know, is just a louder note. So you're going to have a row of quiet 16th notes, and you're going to put accents in. Important thing to pay attention to here is what hand those accents fall in. Go right, left, right, right, left, right, right. Another important thing is to make sure that the notes that aren't accents stay nice and low, so you've got that contrast. So take it literally note by note, as slow as you need to do it. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now the placement, the thing that gives it that Keith Mooney vibe, I don't know why, but it just does in my opinion. First right is on the high tom, 1 E and then the next one is on the high tom. That's the left, 1 E and it goes down, it kind of flips over to the right, so 1 E and 2. High, high, low. Remembering in between all these accents, all these toms, we're going to be going back to the snare drum nice and low. High, high, low, low, high, low, low. Right, left, right, right, left, right, right. There, snare, snare. I dropped it.